Today, we are going to experience the story of an saint and his student. Rishi's lessons, the scorpion sting. In a serene village nestled beside a winding river, there lived a revered rishi named Guru Dev, known far and wide for his wisdom and compassion. One bright morning, Guru Dev decided to take a leisurely stroll along the riverbank, accompanied by his eager disciple Arav, a young priest brimming with curiosity and enthusiasm. As they meandered along the river's edge, they stumbled upon a scene that tugged at their hearts. A scorpion stranded on a rock in the middle of the rushing stream, its tiny legs thrashing desperately. Without a second thought, Guru Dev extended his hand to rescue the struggling creature, only to be met with a sharp sting from the scorpion's venomous tail. Undeterred by the pain, Guru Dev persisted, trying again and again to save the scorpion, each attempt met with another painful sting. Confused by his guru's actions, Arav couldn't help but voice his concerns. Guru Dev, he asked, why do you continue to help the scorpion when it keeps hurting you? Guru Dev smiled gently at his young disciple and replied, my dear Arav, it is in the nature of scorpions to defend themselves. But it is in the nature of humans to show kindness and compassion even in the face of adversity. Gurudev finally helped Scorpion left in the bank of river and Scorpion went gently. Inspired by his guru's words, Ara felt a newfound sense of purpose stirring within him. Determined to follow Guru Dev's example, he ventured forth and began to help other creatures in need along their journey. From rescuing a trapped butterfly to offering a helping hand to a struggling squirrel, Ara found joy and fulfillment in acts of kindness, each one a testament to the lessons he had learned from his wise guru. And as the days passed, Arav's heart swelled with pride as he witnessed the positive impact of his actions on the world around him. With each creature he helped, he felt a deep sense of gratitude and connection, knowing that even the smallest act of kindness could make a difference. Together, Guru Dev and Arav continued their journey, their bond strengthened by their shared commitment to compassion and empathy. And as they walked hand in hand along the riverbank, the warm glow of the setting sun bathed them in its golden light, a silent affirmation of the enduring power of kindness and love. Hello, friends! Let's play a parent child activity based on the story we experienced today. Parent child activity Kindness Jar. Materials needed a jar or container, paper pens or markers, stickers or decorations. Optional. Instructions. Begin by reading the story of Guru Dev and Arav with your child. Talk about the importance of kindness and how helping others, even when it's difficult, can make a big difference. Together, brainstorm different acts of kindness that you and your child can do for others. These can be simple things like smiling at someone, helping with chores, or saying kind words to a friend. Cut the paper into small strips and write one act of kindness on each strip. Decorate the strips with stickers or drawings if desired. Fold each strip and place them into the jar. Throughout the week or month, encourage your child to pick a kindness strip from the jar each day. Together, perform the act of kindness written on the strip and talk about how it made both of you feel. As you continue the activity, discuss any challenges or obstacles you encounter and how you can overcome them with kindness and perseverance. At the end of the week or month, reflect on all the acts of kindness you've done together and how they've made a positive impact on others and yourselves. This activity not only reinforces the value of kindness but also provides opportunities for parent child bonding and meaningful conversations about empathy and compassion. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video if it added value to your time. Also, like the video and finally share with your loved ones.